welcome back to Practicing with Helena. Today we're going to be practicing our G major scale together. So, just to review, how many black keys does the G major have? Think about it. We have only one, right? And that black key would be on F sharp. Very good. Now, we're going to repeat the steps that we did with C major. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to call our finger numbers out loud. It's the same finger numbers, same finger patterns as C major, right? So that should be a little bit easier. The second one is we're going to tap as a preparation for the next fingering. And the third is we're going to practice with metronome. All right, so let's go ahead and find our G's. Ready, play. 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 2 on a black key, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 2 on a black key, 5, 1, 4, 2 on a black key, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 1. 4, 2 on a black key, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5. How did you do? You can go ahead and review as many times as you want. Just scroll the video to the beginning of this again if the first time didn't work well for you. If you realize when I'm playing my scales really slowly, I'm not letting my wrist go loose, right? I'm maintaining my wrist, but I'm letting my arm become very flexible so that I'm using the energy of gravity to help me play loud and strong, right? Our wrist should be pretty stable. Not locked wrist, right? Just stable. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to tap our next finger number. Ready? Play. Tap. 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 Feeling better about it? All right, now we're going to dive into playing with metronome. I'm still going to use quarter notes, right? And I talked about if you wanted to do it faster, you can on your own time. But this time we're going to make sure that we're playing with really great sound, correct fingerings, right? And being flexible with your body. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to have the metronome at about 108. 1, 2, ready, play. feel good. If you think that was way too fast, you can definitely change your own metronome a little bit slower, right? Perhaps 80, 70, 60, but make sure that you're feeling really comfortable. All right, that's it with G major today. See you next time.